Hello, and welcome to our shadowing practice channel. In this lesson, you will practice speaking English by shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. You listen to my voice and repeat after me. Do not worry about mistakes. Just relax and follow the sound. Try to copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the speed. First, you will hear the sentence slowly. Listen carefully. Then, speak together with me. You can pause the video if you need more time. You can repeat the lesson again and again. This practice will help you speak more naturally and more confidently. Now, get ready. Let's start shadowing together. I am interested in English. I am interested in English. I am interested in learning languages. I am interested in learning languages. I am interested in music. I am interested in music. I am interested in technology. I am interested in technology. I am interested in teaching. I am interested in teaching. I am interested in reading books. I am interested in reading books. I am interested in travel. I am interested in travel. I am interested in meeting new people. I am interested in meeting new people. I am interested in self-improvement. I am interested in self-improvement. I am interested in this topic. I am interested in this topic. I have to work today. I have to work today. I have to study English. I have to study English. I have to wake up early. I have to wake up early. I have to finish this task. I have to finish this task. I have to go now. I have to go now. I have to help my family. I have to help my family. I have to clean the house. I have to clean the house. I have to attend a meeting. I have to attend a meeting. I have to practice speaking. I have to practice speaking. I have to be careful. I have to be careful. I think this is easy. I think this is easy. I think he is busy. I think he is busy. I think English is useful. I think English is useful. I think we are late. I think we are late. I think it will rain. I think it will rain. I think this is a good idea. I think this is a good idea. I think she is kind. I think she is kind. I think today is a good day. I think today is a good day. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I think this is important. I think this is important. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment? Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Can you explain this? Can you explain this? Can you call me later? Can you call me later? Can you check this? Can you check this? Can you show me? Can you show me? Can you teach me English? Can you teach me English? I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel tired now. I feel tired now. I feel excited. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I feel confident. I feel confident. I feel stressed. I feel stressed. I feel proud. I feel proud. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. There are many people here. There are many people here. There is a problem. There is a problem. There are two shops nearby. There are two shops nearby. There is some water in the glass. There is some water in the glass. There are many students in the class. There are many students in the class. There is a meeting today. There is a meeting today. There are many options. There are many options. There is hope. There is hope. There are many opportunities. There are many opportunities. I am going to study tonight. I am going to study tonight. I am going to cook dinner. I am going to cook dinner. I am going to clean my room. I am going to clean my room. I am going to travel next year. I am going to travel next year. I am going to sleep early. I am going to sleep early. I want some water. I want some water. I want a new phone. I want a new phone. I want a better job. I want a better job. I want new shoes. I want new shoes. I want good news. I want good news. I want success. I want success.
Write your own example using these patterns in the comments below, and I will check your grammar. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm Lisa, and I'll see you in the next one.